Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. Which one more important to you? What people say about you or what God say about you? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. If you make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, me going to read from Paul's first letter to the Corinthian them, chapter 4, from verse 1 to verse 21. This are how you fit think about we were teach you know. You fit look pan we and see say we are just Christ Jesus servant them. And the one them we there for telling about all the things them we no know about God. Now, if you are one servant, the only sitting your master want, for you do when give for do. And for you do it good too. So, you see me no business with what people have to say about me. It no matter to me if uno are the people where they are quote want judge the work when me do. Me not even judge myself. As far as me know, me no do nothing wrong. But that no proves say when me do right. But I know uno I go judge me. And the Lord I go judge me. So nobody judge nobody till the time right. Wait till the Lord come. All of the wrong sitting them where people don't try to hide. Him will make everybody know about them. And him will show where really there in a people heart. And then God will big up the one them, we do the work we give them, and we do it good. Brother and sister, uno might think say all of the sitting them when me say, Ongla talk about me and Apollos, but it a talk about uno too. Me did I use me and Apollos life for show uno and make uno understand. Say uno no fi done anything else but we write down in a God word. Cause if uno follow we write down, uno will not boast about one teacher and hate the other one. Cause who make uno better than anybody else? We not have, we are not get, uno get it. And if I get uno get it, make uno a boast like say, I no get, uno did get it. Oh, so uno have all we no could have want already. And uno done rich. What's uno third king left with? But we say uno did really turn king for true. So that we could have turned king with uno too. Cause it come like say God put we him apostle them in at the lowest position. Like say we are some man we get sent for go dead. Cause the world, the angel them, everybody take with a papi show. Enough people think we are fool cause we believe in a Christ Jesus. But uno think say uno wise cause uno belong to Christ. Enough people think say we not no power. But uno think say uno have enough power. People show no respect, but them no respect we. I know we hungry and we throat dry. Feel we clothes coming like pizza will tear up clot. People treat we bad, and we not have nowhere to live. We take we owner on them and work hard. When people cuss we and say all kind of something about we, all we do, I bless them. When people make we suffer, we not give up. We just go on hold strong. When people tell lie upon we still talk to them nice. And now the world go on like say, we are just garbage. We come in like dregs. We left back. Me not write them something for shame, you know. Me I write them for teach, you know. Cause you know I like me picnic them when me love. Cause even though you know might have 10,000 teacher for help you live, oh God want you to live. I know all of them are gonna come in like one father to you know. But me I uno father, cause I'm a first bring the good news, come give you and help you to believe. So me I beg you live uno life like how uno see me I live for me own. As so make me I send Timothy to you. Timothy, when me love and we come in like me picnic, cause the two we believe in the same God. Me I send him for help you remember all of the sitting them when me did teach you about Christ Jesus. And the same sitting me I teach all about in all of the church them. Now, some of you start get bossy cause you think say me nah go come see you. But me I go come there soon if that are what the Lord want me to do. Me I go come there and me will find out for myself. Not just what them bossy people are say, but me I go find out what kind of power them have. Cause God kingdom not based on what people say. God kingdom based on power. Which one uno would have want me for do? Uno would have want me for come to uno with one tick for beat uno? Or uno would have want me for come with one spirit we kind and gentle and show no love? A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.